Hi guys, as many of you know that I'll be traveling to Northeast this time, and this is my first time in Northeast. So I'm going to show you what all stuff I'm going to carry, and I'll be traveling to Guwahati, Tezpur, Bomdila, Sela Pass, Tawang, Bumla Pass. Bumla Pass is essentially Indo-China border, and then I'll be coming back to Shillong, then Cherrapunji, Mawsynram, Molingaon, Shillong, back and then back to Shillong, and then from Shillong I'll be going to Kohima. So it's a long journey. I need to plan it very well. So I'm going to show you what all I'm going to carry. So first thing first. Okay. So this is rope. This is 6 meter in length, and it's a very good quality. It's very thick, as you can see, and I can use it to tie my panniers, my luggage to my bike, luggage to my car. I can also use it to dry clothes on it, and I can it's basically it's a multi-purpose thing. So you should always carry this. And then I also have a health and well-being. This is provided by Juniper. Juniper is the company I work for. So this is provided by Juniper. It helps me in I mean, it has all the important numbers and all the important contacts. If we get in some kind of problem, then this is going to help us. Also, it has all the route markers, route marks. Basically, so we have a big map and we plan out our route. So all the route marks are shared in this. So everybody has this copy. So I have two because me and Arman will be traveling together. So I have to. I have my body wash, which is very important because you know why. This is my hand sanitizer. This is a lock. This probably seems to be like a cycle lock. Remember, we used to ride cycle back in I don't know when. So this is very helpful if you want to leave your luggage unattended at any point of time. So this actually comes very handy. I'll be carrying my headphones. This is from Circle Concerto. I hope you can see it very clearly. So it's even though the price is less, but the quality is very good. I've been using it for almost 2 years. 2 years. The quality is very good. I bought it for 400, only 400. Yeah. So I'm also carrying my tripod. I'm currently shooting with my DSLR that is stable on this tripod. It's good one. So it's provided by Benro. One of my friends actually works for this works for this company, and if you buy this stuff on Amazon, it's going to cost you around 28 or 2900. So I asked my friend to ship it to India. So the entire cost was around 1140, including shipping charges. I got it for a lesser price. My gloves for enduring that much cold. Another glove. This is a Wildcraft rain cover for my bag. If it starts raining heavily, I don't want my bag to get wet. So this is the cover that is going to help me. It's a big stretchable one. Cap to protect me from rain and sunlight. A hand towel. My big bulky jacket. I bought it from US. It's worth the money. It's very good. It can work up to minus 23 degrees centigrade. It's a must buy. My cap. I look like a bear. It's so hot, man. Yeah, I do have these extra LED lighting. They are USB based. I don't know if you can see them or not. They are USB based. You can actually use them whenever you want to get out at odd hours of night. Let's say 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. So then these torch, or you can use it as your study table lamp. So it works like this. Yeah, quite clear, na? Yeah. So I also have a waterproof tripod waterproof bag that will keep my tripod wet. Sorry, dry, not wet. I have my socket, cables for DSLR battery charger, very important. Don't forget it. USB cables. Do keep at least 2 USB cable at least. Holder. Obviously, you know why holder. it works like this. Balm, keep it, this is very important, always keep a balm if you're visiting a very cold place. It's very useful. I have kept some. So this is my camphor. Camphor is very important where if you are going on a very high altitude places where the pressure is very low and the amount of oxygen is the level of oxygen is very less, so you can't breathe properly. So camphor is very important. Do keep camphor. Yeah, so this is my DSLR bigger lens. I'm shooting this video by a DSLR 1855. This is 55 200 mm. So yeah, this is important. Yes, I do have a very good history of breaking my legs, breaking my bones. So I'm carrying this crepe bandage just in case if I meet with an accident or I already have a broken bone. Yeah. So I'm going to heal myself. That's it for now. Do give a like, share it with as many friends of yours as possible, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Bye bye.